This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start inside the running Roblox game. Press ESC to open the menu and go straight to Settings, then Graphics. You need to disable Auto Graphics so you can control quality manually. Once done, the Graphics Quality slider appears. This is the only in-game control that changes rendering fidelity and performance. Make sure you're not in Studio. This is the Player Client menu. From here, you're ready to lower the resolution equivalent by moving the Quality slider down. You now drag the Graphics Quality slider down to reduce rendering resolution and detail. Move it stepwise and observe how visuals and frame rate respond. Lower values remove textures, reduce shadows, and effectively drop internal resolution to improve performance. Once you hit a level that balances smoothness and clarity, press Apply if present, or simply close the menu so settings save. If you need more reduction, repeat and choose a lower tick. This manual slider is how you control. Finish by testing gameplay for a few minutes to ensure the lower graphics quality is stable. If settings revert, restart Roblox or toggle auto off again. Some games force graphics changes. If you still need crisper performance, lower your monitor or system display resolution as a secondary step. Make sure GPU drivers and power settings aren't forcing high performance. One key troubleshooting tip: if visuals unpredictably change, disable auto every session, then set the slider to your desired level and relaunch the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.